Hi, I'm Tristan Rozier. I'm the COO of Breathe Easy Sanitizing. We perform sanitizing services for our community, and our goal is to serve the underserved in our city. We specialize in preventing transmissible disease such as flu, COVID, and other typical types of sickness. And one problem that we all face is the spread of disease, and we're here to save money and time. Our disinfectant is a mist that is attracted to all surfaces. When the work is performed, it will render an entire facility fully sanitized within minutes of application. The process does not interfere with your business or your safety. Not only will your business be protected from the spread of COVID, but also all transmittable diseases like the flu or a normal stomach bug. This process will continue protecting you and your team for up to a week. Without sanitizing services, the loss of employees and the loss of revenue can grow exponentially. One sick person can infect 2 additional people, and so on and so forth. According to the Small Business Development Corporation of the University of Georgia, if a business has 10 employees and pays a rate of $15 per hour with 400 customers, there is a potential annual loss of $39,000. I don't know about you, but I cannot afford to lose almost 40 grand. So visit our website or give us a call today for a free consultation for your facility needs. Thanks, we are Breathe Easy Sanitizing.